Is your truck having this kind of a problem? I'll show you how to fix it. The problem is that hinge and that hinge get loose. See that? It's a problem. Let's fix it. Step one, do you have your lifting buddy?
Yes.
Step two, get the parts. O'Reilly's, Dorman, 38410, whatever the freak that is. You need that. That's the new hinge pin. Open her up. Proceed to set it on the seat and drop everything everywhere. These are new bushings for right here, because this bushing was bad. New bushing good. So, snap ring on top, take off snap ring, hinge falls out, door falls off. Have your holding buddy hold the door. Tools, clip buddy friendly and Smacker tire changer 9000. And a floor jack. Step 1.5, because I skipped this one. We need to jack up the door so the jack's holding the weight, because they're very heavy. That is all. Touch it, barely lift. So it's taking the weight, move on. Once the weight's off, we need to get this snap ring off. All right, snap ring's off. As you saw, hinge dropped. So if that door wasn't held up, the door would fall off right now and that would be a bad thing. Now we got to do the same to the bottom. Snap the bottom snap ring off. Oh look, the bottom snap ring is gone. That makes that easier. Just pry that up. Right here, I'm gonna pry up and the door's gonna fall. So tell your holding buddy, hold the door, it's gonna fall. Both hinge pins are now out. Now we can slide the door away from the truck. Ooh. Don't roll off the jack. Now you're still plugged in, so you can't go very far. You can go just enough where you can get the bushings out. Just like that. Perfect. I'm putting new bushings in right here and right here on the top, right here and right here on the bottom. They slide in just like that, and then you push them down in. You can crimp them with pliers, or you can just kind of hammer them. Don't do that. And don't hit it so hard that it breaks the freaking bushing, like I just did. Pliers. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the bottom. I'm just taking my pliers and breaking out the old washers that were in there, pushing them down out of the way. There we go. Got it out. All right, new ones going in. Okay, we got all the washers in. Now we're just gonna slide this door back into place, ever so gently. Okay, looks like the top's about lined up. There we go. I think I'm just gonna go from the top down. I don't know why it matters. Bring the bottom of the door down just like that. Also, choose to do this on a very extremely summer day, in the middle of the afternoon, in the middle of the sun. All right, we're gonna pull out the Bender 9000s. See if we can squish it down in there. That's much easier than trying to smack it. Much easier. Okay, all you do is snap those little rings on the bottom, like that. They go right on the bottom of this guy. You just snap them on right there. I'm gonna unbolt that. bolt on a new bushing, and we're good to go. I got that bushing put on. I got new bushings put in here, new pins. Now no more wibbly. Closes nice and easy now. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.